What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have got a surprise. My sister's sorting out something for it. And if you're wondering why am I up in my bedroom? It's because I paid for it. Technically mine because I paid for it. We helped the vet, and guess how much we got it for? Because they were like, do you want this? We were like, oh, yes, please. So we got it for £1.50.
Okay. So I'm not going to give you any shade, but 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Psych! You might have seen a little bit, but not what it is. Okay. So we're going to leave my phone up here.
My sister's doing the YouTube channel as well.
Just knocked on the door.
1 second, guys.
Something just knocked on the door.
Yes, something just knocked on the door.
Let's go.
I'm
Now,
just
we're gonna
itching
leave
my
phone
back,
up
my
here.
head.
I'm going to leave my phone up here. And
Same with me, guys. I'm gonna leave my phone up here.
we're just going to go have a look. I want to have a look. Okay, so guys, it's a jacket! We're just joking. What we're going to call it is Oreo.
I'm gonna
We're
go to
gonna-
my guys. This is the puppy that we got it. Her name is Oreo, and it is a girl. She can walk. She's allowed to go for a walk. She's had her
Guys, I'll
3
be over in a
injections.
minute.
Why didn't you go and stop your video? So you could do it on this one and then. Yeah. So, guys. Look how cute the puppy is. Hey, Oreo. It's got brown eyes. It's my fan. It's mine. Guys, look at it.
Hi, puppy doodles. Hiya.
So we're gonna go tidy up. So we're gonna go and put her in this bed that I made. I made it like really neat and tidy. So this is where she's gonna lay for now. Just for now. We're just gonna put the blanket over like that.
Because she was abandoned.
But the vet came along.
But we definitely
We need to tidy up this bedroom. Look at it, guys. We need to tidy up. Right. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. So, you guys are probably wondering, why am I so weird? I was born with it, when I...
What?
Weirdness. I can't stop being weird. Like, in every video I do, I probably am weird. You know that video that I was shaking? If you guys watch my channels, which I don't, then you guys know that this arm was shaking from here down here. Was shaking. And that one was just a little prank. I forgot to say it in the video. So yeah,
Please do not go mental.
please do not go mental with me. I was born with weirdness in me. When I was little, I put French fries up my nose. Weird. And I kept on singing the song that went. I still remember it. Shimmy, 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 shimmy.
Yeah,
I always sang that. And I went to school with no pants once. And I was wearing a skirt.
we have tights. There you go.
You know? No tights at all. I had to sit like that. And the skirt was that big though. So it covered up.
And she was kind of short. So it's fine.
I was like that big. I was that big.
Wait. No. About there.
No.
So guys, she was about that tall when she wore
I was in preschool then. And I had this friend called Millie. Millie, if you're watching this is me. I'm older. I'm a lot uglier and I wear glasses. And we got 3 puppies.
and we got rabbits and fish and a chameleon.
Well, we used to have tortoises, but
We got rid of them.
come from my own eyes.
And yes, this is
So this blue mat here,
we're going to put away.
use.
No,
We're gonna use. So then Oreo can go on that bed over there, though.
What, on mine?
No, on here.
Oh, we're going to put
Orio's bed is gonna be on this mat over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then she can like scratch up both beds.
Yeah.
So we're going to go tidy up and we're going to put Oreo in this little pink.
She is a girl, by the way, guys.
Obviously.
Okay, so
So we're just going to put the
on my
blanket.
phone, please.
Yeah.
Okie dokie, so we need to tidy up all my Harry Potter stuff and that lot. Yes, my puppy was trying to nibble on this, but not anymore, she's not.
Because we had
So we need to tidy up all this over here.
and all over the place.
Yeah, look at this whole bedroom.
Oh.
Wait, what was that said that? Said on
Me.
that?
This fell out.
So we're gonna put away my Harry Potter wand. I don't even know where to put it though.
I'm going to put these in Ella's bedroom. Because I don't know what bedroom in it. She might have got them mixed up.
I know, I'm gonna put it in here with all my baby stuff because I still play with babies. Guys, if you think I'm weird, I am. I'm very weird because of that conversation. I miss those days.
What?
I miss old days.
Oh my god.
Weirdness. Weird approaching, which is me. Can I get a honey? Do you know what that stands for?
Oh wait, yeah, I do.
It's that. She didn't get it. Even if I glare her in her eyes, she didn't get it.
Is it the thing?
Mm-hmm. Can I get a honey?
Not in the stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna put my ruler of air.
Guys, we've got a bin bag as well, so don't go mental if we like chuck it out there. Because the bin bag is going to be here. And can you stop putting all this stuff underneath my bed?
Okay.
What's
Boxing.
going on? Everything
This could be hers.
I'm just dragging
Since I
this.
don't use this is gonna be hers.
You nearly just chucked it out.
Okay. I mean, I do care. She always thinks that I'm crying.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you
I
do.
laugh at you.
Huh?
I laugh at you.
She always thinks that I'm crying. Cause she laughs at me when I'm crying.
Yeah, and I laugh at you like mad.
Yeah, she goes, ah! Yeah.
Moving Oreo's bed.
Where's Oreo in it?
Yeah.
Okay, God.
Why
Just-
wouldn't she be?
Just please do not drop her.
She's already in here.
Oreo! 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 Oreo!
Again. Because I was moving it, it messed up.
Okay, so there's a load of space that we need to, that we got. I think we need to go to bed again. Oh no. Okay, guys. We got learn of the week. We're gonna start doing this now, aren't we?
Yep.
So, for Maisie and Amy, for like, subscribe, and then turn on those push notifications. I can't read it.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Just joking, guys. This is from when we were playing schools.
But we are gonna do that.
Yep, we're going to start by tomorrow.
Yeah, so if you guys want to, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the push notifications. And make sure you comment!
If you want a shout out.
Yeah. We're not going to be giving you the certificates because
We're just going to write them down and, like, say them.
But yeah, thank you. Okay.
We're going to put them up there for now. And, guys, we're going to have a movie about just me and her. So, hopefully...
And Oreo.
I said her. Not you. I said me and her. I'm just joking, guys. Me, Maisie, and Oreo are going to have a movie night. She's doing that on purpose, guys. She's dying.
She's dying.
I can't get up, though. But the worst thing, guys, is that we have Joshua.
Mum's going to go mental with us.
No, she's not.
I forgot.
Guys, we're going to try and give each other, like, piggybacks. Go.
Like what dogs do to each other, I think.
She's doing that just because of entertainment. Aren't you, Liz?
Yeah.
This I wasn't even sat on her. I was like this. Sit up a little bit. Tell me where. I'm not even sat on her.
Look. Oh.
That's how I was.
You see that guy?
See, guys, even now, I'm not even sat on her. See? She's trying to lift me up. Right. I think this bedroom is okay.
Yeah.
Now we have to make our beds for the movie night. Like a little movie night bed making. Pull up bed? No. Because
No, we can move this, and Oreo can go on the end. No, Oreo can have her own bed on the pull-out bed.
no, because of Blake.
Yeah, but Vic's not gonna be back until Wednesday.
Yeah, that's tomorrow.
Then she can at least have one go on it. Please.
No, I'm not. No. Lizzie, you can put her at the end of your bed. No, we should leave her here and see you, like, not here, but, like, we can leave her here for the movie night. And then when we actually go to bed, which will probably be about 11ish, yeah, we'll put her in your bed. Even if Maisie's asleep,
sleepy, guys. I'm always awake, so I'll put her on the end of Macy's bed.
Right, time to go make our beds. So leave a gap, quite a big gap, right? But whatever you do, yeah, do not leave all your teddies on the floor like you did last time. What the heck? What the heck? No, a bet.
Low battery, 20%. What percentage is your phone on?
And you're not using my charger because you've already gave it to me. And she said that it don't charge her phone. So, yeah.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those push notifications. Bye, guys.
We have to go.
Because my phone's gonna die.
And we will upload it now.